Hi, welcome to Videator. You might have heard about Amazon Prime Day sale. Boat has launched 4 power banks: PB6, PB8, PB18, PB20. PB6 and PB8 are 10,000 mAh power banks and PB18 and PB20 are 20,000 mAh power banks. So why there is two names in 10,000 mAh version or 20,000 mAh version? Because one supports 10 watt fast charging and another one supports 18 watt fast charging. So PB6 and PB18 supports 10 watt fast charging and PB8 and PB20 supports 18 watt fast charging. So these are priced about 699, 799, 1099 and 1299. I have ordered PB06, the 10,000 mAh version, and it just have arrived. You wanna know at what price I bought this? Just at 599. If everything goes well, this can be India's next budget power bank. So in this video I am going to unbox this and I will check what Boat is giving us at this little price range. So without delaying, first unbox this. Now I have ordered 3 of PB06. Put these two aside and unbox this. On the front side, it is written that it comes with 3 special features: 1 year domestic warranty, 2-way rapid charge, and 2 input and 2 output ports. And on the back side, it says it's 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery. The model is PB06, 2 input ports, one Type-C, another is micro USB port, and both supports common DC 5V 2A input. And output ports also support both 5V 2.1A. Wait, and also on the above it says simultaneous charge and discharge. That is, you can charge your phone while you are charging the power bank. And there is nothing special written in these 3 sides, but on the top it is written the color of the power bank, which is midnight blue. Let me unbox this now. First, put these things aside and see the power bank. This panel is metal and I completely like it. It's hard enough in my opinion. But these side panels, these are plastic and I don't think these are made of very hard plastic. Let me test it. This works fine and I have to test it further to check how fast it charges. This is good. What? Shit. Eki hoye gelo. Is it broken? The battery is just attached to the side aluminum cover with just a few double-sided tapes. This is not expected from Boat. I don't know what to say. I am going to return this. But wait, we have another 2. First unbox them, then we will decide. This is the red version. Let me fast forward the unboxing. Now it's the testing time. No, it's not coming out. This time though I have to admit, these USB Type-A ports are really tight. Also I have checked the other one off camera. Not including that one because in that case video would be too long. I tried so many times, but that one also did not come out. So what happened with the first one? The double-sided tape that they were using to make it stay wasn't working for some reason, and also the clips that holds the whole thing together was loose for some reason. This can happen in some cases. Not all products made by a company can be perfect. Thanks to Amazon, they will take it return anytime. I got really shocked at first, but now as 2 models are okay, I have decided to keep them to me and return the defected one so that I can test it further. Now if you ask me about buying this, I would say you can take it considering its price range and its compact size. But keep in mind, always there is a 1/3 chance to get a product like this. So if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends so that they too can know about this incredible power bank. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This is it for now. Take care. Bye.